Step 1. Access the gift card editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace and navigate to Listings on the left sidebar panel. Next, click on My Templates and select Create Listing on the gift card template. Step 2. Enter basic gift card information. Start by naming your gift card and add a description that says something inviting, like this gift card lets your loved ones enjoy any art class or ceramic workshop we offer. Step 3. Set gift card pricing. Set pricing, scroll down and click on Add Question. You will select drop-down list, Pricing Question, where you'll be able to add the title, toggle on Is Required, and add the denominations for your gift card values. When you're done, click Save. Step 4. Upload images. Showcase your studio by uploading images of the gift card. Choose photos of your space or art pieces, or concurrently, picture of your gift card. This will make the gift card listing look even more appealing. Step 5. Set gift card expiration. If you need an expiration date, go to Account Settings, Your Business, and select Credit. Enter the expiration date if required for your region. And there we go. You created your first gift card listing for your art studio.